Mom, it's Friday and I got out of work early and I wanted to show you the road. You can see that we're filling this up. This one, I think you can see how deep it is. Made it that far. Got our second load. We have all this to go. And we broke a bucket. I broke a bucket.
We broke a bucket.
I ripped it. There's the solar lights. I put them out. Where'd you put your battery tester?
Where did I put the tester?
Yeah, to test it.
Those two wires right here. These two wires.
These ones?
These two right here are connected in line. Must be damn hooked them up together, which is fine.
Okay.
And they push 20 volts
But where'd you put your tester to see?
on those wires,
Oh, just right on it.
right on the wire.
So what do we have to do to hook it up? Just
I'm not
plug it
sure
into
yet.
something
I
else?
wanted to do some YouTube video research on how I should.
Is that 20 volts? There's not even sun hitting it right now. Well, that one actually.
There was some beaming on it when I checked them.
I wonder what it is now.
I wonder if there's a 24 volt circuit. I don't know.
Mike took some of the water out of here with a bucket and dug it a little deeper.